Hi, in this session we'll be discussing about SQL partition. Before we understand, we need to understand different constructs that will be used in select query to realize the partition. First is row number function. Row number function enables developer to create an ordered series of numbers, that a number showing the order of the row in that result set. By using row number, we can define a sorting criteria in order by, and by using partition by in low number syntax. Using partition by, the programmers can define numbering of rows categorized by listed columns. So into a partition by column and a partition by, so the numbering can be done by that column. Let me show one select query. Here you can see I am using the row number and partition both. So I am selecting these fields: carrier, connection, seats occupied, flight date, but I am doing partition by carrier ID and order by seats occupied and giving the row number. So row number function I am using, this row number is over carrier ID partition and order by seats occupied, and another is carrier ID partition by order by flight date. So both creating a partition of carrier ID, but one ordered by seats occupied and another ordered by flight date. So the row is a row, seats occupied, SO row, and flight date row. Let me see. You can observe I have done the descending sort criteria. So the highest one will be on the top. And first is, let's concentrate on partition by carrier ID and seats occupied. So you can see seats occupied 221, 441, 442, 332. I am doing descending. So the first, you can see the first row is highest seat occupied 441, second is 422, third is 332, and the last one is 221. Similarly, if you see the flight date, the first flight date is 2024 7th September and the highest one, so it comes as the 1, then 2, 3, 4. So this row number, it comes as a number 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, and we get those numbers by the partition and order by. The partition order by helps us to get a row number, and we can also sort those row number in our query. So that's all about how to use row number and partition in select query. Thank you for watching.